Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys pretty fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. And today we can see, no, I'm not alone today, okay? So here is Anisul Rahman. Anis is studying in class 5, and he's also brilliant student as a worker, like good hard worker. And you guys already watched the video. There were Anis like mechanic. So now you can see Anis came today for learning English, and he asked me a lot of questions. Brother, I wanna be like you. I wanna make my fitness like you. You can see, guys, because I also do exercise, and he like asked that, brother, could you please suggest me how can I learn English as well? How can I make my bicep as well my fitness better? So I always try to like spread out positive vibe with like upcoming, you can say, upcoming generation, and little people, little like boys or girls. That is, if I like meet with them at that time, I try to spread out a good message so that they can like enjoy the life peacefully, and a quality life they can enjoy. So that's the thing. So you can see this. That's why Anis now in front of camera, and we can see Anis like also still Anis started exercise to like Anis motivated from me as well. I have one of my friend. His name is Furkan. He's also hard worker as well. Like he do exercise with me. So I wanna make the generation. I mean the little generation. I guess so. Those are like youngers mm, surrounding my place, or I can say it's a neighbor, and I wanna make them like I can fitness on good fitness, and I wanna make them positive person, and that's why I'm working. It is really essential to teach them what is the good thing and what is the bad thing you have to do in your life. So this is why you can say, guys, prayer for Anis so that he can be a good speaker as well. He can perform very well at gym. So one more crucial thing I should share with you guys. I have purchased some equipment for exercise, such as dumbbell and barbell, and like rubber, some kind of equipment I have, and I like I train them. So how you should exercise, and instead of doing bad work such as smoke or like because to like installing mobile phone or using Facebook, PUBG, or whatever you can say, we can teach our brothers, little brother actually, those are doing, you can say, like bad work. Suppose they are like playing PUBG or Free Fire, we can teach them what you have to do, what type of food you should eat, and why you should exercise, why you should learn English, why you should study attentively. So I always like do this work, and I wanna say, dear brother or sister, those are watching my video right now, so try to share this vibe with everyone. Suppose Anis is also already motivated from me, and if you have this kind of brother or sister, make them motivated. Okay, so okay, Anis just hanging the mobile phone, and that's why Anis feeling right now pain. So that's all for now, guys. See you in the another video. I hope this video will help you to become like to motivate your brothers or sister. Bye. Allah Hafiz.